G'day folks, so this is just going to be a quick update video. Now, a few days ago some images appeared on the internet on several blogs and websites. I'm not sure who the original leaker was or who the credit goes to, but the first supposed images of the upcoming Hero 7 leaked online, and as you can see it pretty well has the same form factor as the Hero 5, the Hero 6 Black. Now whether these are legitimate images or they're fakes, who really knows, but it is kind of interesting. The rumor also suggests that there will be 3 cameras released at the same time in September, when they usually do release their GoPros. Now, after speaking with a gentleman on my Facebook page, his theory is that they're going to be releasing 3 new models: a Hero 7 White, Hero 7 Silver, and a Hero 7 Black. The white being basically the Hero 5, the silver being the Hero 6, and the 7 being a new updated model. Now, another theory is that it could just be several versions of the Hero 7, all the same hardware, just with crippled firmware. This would allow GoPro to sell different cameras at different price points to remain competitive to different markets. Now, that's just a theory. I've also read a theory where the 3 new cameras are going to be a Hero 7 Black, a new Hero 7 Session. These are just all guesses. There is nothing really substantiated yet, but we will know soon enough. Typically GoPro does an announcement in September, so we're probably just a little over a month away, and we will know more information and possibly have some new GoPros in our hands. Anyways, that's basically it for this video. That's all we know. Make sure you follow my Facebook page. I'll leave the link down in the description, and that way if anything new pops up I will post it there, if any new leaks, images, or specs come into light. Anyways folks, just a quick update video. Thanks a lot for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. We'll see you in the next one.